Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best pickleball paddles. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Struggling with inconsistent shots and lack of control on the court? Tired of paddles that feel too powerful but ruin your precision? If you want better accuracy, softer touch, and more confidence in every shot, this might be exactly what you need. Introducing the Selkirk LUXX Control Pickleball Paddle, Invicta shape, designed for players who prioritize control and finesse. This paddle features a carbon fiber face that delivers a smooth, controlled feel while maintaining durability. The InfiniGrit surface technology enhances spin, helping you place shots exactly where you want. Inside, the polypropylene X7 core absorbs vibration and gives you a softer, quieter touch perfect for dinks and resets. The Invicta elongated shape offers extended reach and added power when needed. Plus, the 4¼ inch grip size provides a comfortable hold for better handling and control. Pros: excellent control and touch. Great spin potential. Soft feel reduces vibration. Extended reach with elongated design. Cons: not ideal for players who want maximum power. Premium price point. May take time to adjust if you're used to power paddles. This paddle is perfect for intermediate players who focus on control, placement, and strategic gameplay. Great for players who love dinking, drop shots, and spin control rather than aggressive power hitting. Priced at $279.99, it's definitely a premium paddle. But if control and precision matter most to you, it delivers solid value for serious players. Number 4. Introducing the Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle, an affordable, beginner-friendly paddle built for all-around performance. This paddle features a fiberglass hitting surface, giving you a nice balance of power and comfort. The graphite frame adds durability while keeping the paddle lightweight and easy to maneuver. Inside, the polypropylene honeycomb core helps absorb vibration and improves control on soft shots. It comes with a 4¼ inch grip size, offering a comfortable and secure hold for most players. Designed as an all-skill level paddle, it's easy to use whether you're just starting or playing casually. Pros: very affordable price. Good balance of power and control. Comfortable grip and lightweight feel. Great for beginners and casual players. Cons: less spin compared to carbon fiber paddles. Not ideal for competitive or advanced play. Build quality is decent but not premium. This paddle is perfect for beginners and recreational players looking for a reliable, easy-to-use option. Great for those who want a budget-friendly paddle without sacrificing basic performance. At just $49.95, this paddle offers excellent value for money. A solid choice if you're getting into pickleball without spending too much. Number 3. Introducing the Selkirk Sport Vanguard Power Air S2 Pickleball Paddle, built for players who want explosive power without losing control. This paddle combines carbon fiber and fiberglass materials to deliver a perfect mix of strength, power, and responsiveness. The advanced 360 degrees proto-molding technology enhances structural integrity, giving you consistent performance across the entire paddle. With FlexFoam perimeter technology, you get a larger sweet spot and added stability on off-center hits. The S2 shape offers a wider face, improving control and forgiveness, ideal for fast-paced rallies. Weighing around 8.1 ounces, it strikes a great balance between power and maneuverability. Plus, the textured surface helps generate excellent spin and shot precision. Pros: powerful yet controlled performance. Large sweet spot with forgiving design. Excellent spin potential. Premium build quality. Cons: higher price point. May feel slightly heavy for beginners. Requires skill to fully utilize performance. This paddle is best for advanced players who want power-driven gameplay with control. Perfect for competitive players who rely on fast shots, spin, and aggressive playstyles. Priced at $206.85, it sits in the premium category. But for serious players, the performance, durability, and advanced technology make it a worthwhile investment. Number 2. Introducing the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle, one of the most popular all-around paddles for control, balance, and consistency. This paddle features a graphite face, delivering excellent touch and precision on every shot. The wide-body shape creates a larger sweet spot, making it easier to hit consistent shots even on off-center contact. Inside, the Onix honeycomb core provides a solid feel with a great balance of power and control. The carbon fiber frame and shaft add durability while keeping the paddle stable during fast rallies. It also includes a cushion comfort grip, reducing vibration and improving overall handling. With a weight of around 0.49 pounds, it feels solid yet maneuverable for quick reactions at the net. Pros: large sweet spot and forgiving design. Great balance of power and control. Comfortable grip reduces vibration. Trusted, popular paddle for all levels. Cons: spin potential is limited compared to newer textured paddles. Slightly dated technology. Not as powerful as high-end paddles. Perfect for beginners to intermediate players who want a reliable, easy-to-use paddle. Also great for recreational players looking for consistency and control without a steep learning curve. At $66.06, this paddle offers excellent value for money. A proven, dependable option that delivers solid performance without breaking the bank. Number 1. Introducing the JOOLA 3S Pickleball Paddle, Perseus shape, designed in collaboration with pro player Ben Johns for elite-level performance. This paddle features a raw carbon fiber surface, giving you exceptional spin and precise shot control. Available in multiple shapes like Perseus, Hyperion, Scorpius, and Magnus, so you can choose your ideal playstyle. The 14mm thickness offers a great balance between power and responsiveness. Its carbon fiber construction ensures durability while maintaining a lightweight, fast feel. The elongated Perseus design provides extended reach and added power on drives and smashes. Plus, it's UPAA certified, making it suitable for competitive tournament play. Pros: excellent spin and control from raw carbon surface. Multiple shape options for different playstyles. Lightweight and responsive feel. Trusted by professional players. Cons: premium price. Control may feel sensitive for beginners. Durability depends on usage intensity. This paddle is ideal for intermediate to advanced players who want spin, control, and versatility. Perfect for competitive players who like to customize their paddle shape and playstyle. At $179, it's a premium paddle. But considering the pro-level performance and advanced materials, it offers great value for serious players. Interested? Check the link in the description to grab yours today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest pickleball gear reviews.